This is a recording of screencast, a record of Ebates affiliate program, pretty much a free program. I'm assuming that they do it in quarterly, and you pretty much get money back on your shopping. Yes, one of the ways you get paid. You get paid for pretty much shopping. You also just what brought me to it, besides dealing with Ebates. Pretty much I just see it on TV and so forth and so forth. They may pay too much attention, but I market different programs online, and the fact that it's free to join, and I wish I would have came up on an affiliate would gave them a commission, because this would brought me to a refer a friend program right here, and the refer a friend right here, this one right here, you get $25. That's free. They come in, they join for free. There's your link right there. You get your referral link, and you can market on all the social media platforms, Twitter, Facebook, and so forth. Then you can put your link in there, and any of any people who sign up under your link, and join for free, and they had to spend up to $25 on any of the stores. I mean, it's thousands of stores that you can save from. See, Double Cash, Back Your Store. It's different options and everything. They give you a list of all the stores that you can shop from. And if you go on the Ebates, and say for example like Macy's, Kohl's, and all that, you get 6% cash back. 6% ain't bad, and up to 10% off this travel list, whatever this travel velocity. Your travel velocity price line 6%. So you're going to do this anyway. You're going to shop and do this anyway, guys. So you might as well sit there and join for Ebates for free, and go on them and shop under them. These one of these stores, and they fall up under. It's thousands of stores, Finish Line, so forth, and you get back. eBay pays you back pretty much money to shop if you go under them. And then of course the referral program. You get $25 per person that comes up on your link that you refer, and you get $10. You get $10 when you join for free, or join up under somebody. The person that referred you get $25, and then you get $10. The person that come in under you, they automatically get $10. Soon they sign up under you, they automatically get $10 to work with, free. They get $10. They get $10 off their first $25. I'm sorry. They get $10 off their first $25. The person you refer, and you get $25. You personally get $25 if they spend $25 or more, and they get $10 off their first purchase. $25 plus. And then when they repeat the same process, they bring somebody in, they get $25 off the referral. The referral they come in and they refer them, they get $10 off their first purchase, $25 plus. That's how it goes. So it's pretty cool. And you get money off. You get 6%, 10%, 4% off the list of the store, Amazon, and everything. You just got to go under Ebates. You got to go through Ebates. Old Navy, Cold. I mean, the list is unlimited. Hot Wire, and so forth. Yep. The link will be down inside the description. This is pretty much the Ebates referral program, affiliate referral program. Affiliate marketing pretty much is marketing other people's products. You ain't gotta invent the product, you ain't gotta create the product. And you can promote it on all social media platforms, YouTube, make YouTube videos. If you don't have this software that's sharing the screens, called Up.Com, or go to YouTube, and it breaks down the videos of, you spell it CSCREENCAST, screencast -o-matic, MATIC.com, screencast-o-matic.com. And go to YouTube and stuff there. It breaks down a lot of Screencast-O-Matic software, how to work it. But it's pretty easy. You can share your screen, or you can share your webcam. We'll just show you. You share your screen. We'll just show your screen, or you can do both. You can share your screen, and you be like in a corner, like a little box. It will show you, and they show you talking. So I have the pro membership, which is I paid $15 a year, and it just went up to $18 a year, which ain't bad. But I've been screen sharing using this software since 2015 because I've been moving other products on there. This is Thomas Flowers, starting my channel back up, starting to market back online and so forth. And I've been working full time back out there, and I just seen this, and a friend of mine's put this on my lap, and I was like, oh man, I gotta promote this. This is easy. First of all, it's free, and I shop anyway. I shop in a lot of these stores anyway, so why not get money back on it and refer and tell somebody and get $25 commission when they spend $25 plus, which they're gonna do anyway. And you can share it on social media, Facebook. Share your referral link on Facebook, Twitter, do YouTube videos, and any other social media platforms you can think of. And let me show you the referral programs. Am I still on it? I mean, travel, vacation, cash back. It's a lot of stuff. Let me show you. This is the link right here. This is the link right here, guys. That's the link. That's your referral link right there. You paste and copy that. You can copy it on Facebook. You can copy it on Twitter. Send it an email. You know the person. Email. Send it through email. Right there. She's example. Send it to email. Okay, yeah, you put the person's email right there. And see, I'm going to send it to myself. This is my other Gmail account. Tester for newbies at gmail.com. Okay. Let's see. The invite went. I'm assuming it went. I don't know. Let's see. Let's get rid of this screen right here. Let's get, and that's the Screencast-O-Matic editor. Let's go to my Gmail. Let's go to testers. Let's see, did the email come through? This is all live, by the way. So I'm not gonna try to take up too much of you guys' time to show you this is the real deal. It's an invite. So I sent it to one of my Gmail accounts. It's not the Gmail account that I signed up with, Ebates, but it's another one. It's mad slow because I'm recording. This is all totally live, all live, all authentic and live, ladies and gentlemen. No recording about this. Come on. Anyway, let's look at some more features of the website. You can promote it on Facebook, Twitter. Get them $25 referral commissions. It's global. Get them in there, and people are going to shop anyway. So, I mean, it's travel. Let's see how the travel look. The travel and vacation. Let's see what they offer with travel and vacation. And you purchase a lot of retail and stores. Okay, search for hotels and vacation on the Ebates, and get money off your purchase of your travel. It's saying 6 point, yeah, see, car rentals. Look at that, that's crazy. Atlanta, 3 coupons. Bally's, these are actually casinos. Yeah, you get money off standing in casinos, the hotels. And then they say 14 coupons. Bookkit.com, British Airline, Busch Garden. It's pretty nice. I mean, anything to save. I mean, anything to save is free. I mean, it's free. And then a good qualifier, you just, spend, the person you bring on them, all they got to do is spend $25 plus. And you'll get $25. See, I sign up. In my wallet, I sign. It's only 2 ways you can get paid. Let's go to there. 2 ways to get paid. I mean, you can. I don't want to show my address. Cashback. My wallet. So he's saying, please add a credit card, and you know, because the second process, add the credit card. So I didn't complete my setup. But the way I get paid, the way I'm getting paid is through mail. So let's do account setup. See, there you go, 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 there you go. You go in the account. So that's my address in Philadelphia. I don't want to. Please, nobody stalk me. But and then you got to add a credit card to it, so that way you know you got to put a card on file. You know, you make your purchases and everything, but you're not gonna get paid through through your account. It's not gonna be automation through your checking or saving account. It's only two ways. You can sign up on your PayPal account. They're gonna actually sign your PayPal account or put a physical address in, so you want to pay by check. And I think they pay you by quarterly too, like every 2-3 months or something like that. But it'll tell you when they're gonna pay you again. Site been around 20 something plus years. The affiliate program, I don't know how new that is, the $25, but the other one, cashback, been around forever. I don't know. I don't know how long the, like I said, referral program, $25 per person to sign up with a free account. And see, you see right there, see, let me see, see right there, tell you about the $10, see. So you get $10 in your wallet. You have a $10 welcome bonus waiting for you. See, get you $10 welcome bonus when you make qualified purchase of $25 or more. There's a date on that. 9/11/19. Yep. You get $25. You get 25 welcome bonus on for up to what's that? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September 11th. September 11th. You got time. September 11th. Up to September 11th. You get the $10 off, and I guess I don't know. I don't know if that's just the bonus or you know what I mean. I don't know. The $10 thing, or that's just a referral. All is up in September, but you still got a couple months to get it in to get the bonuses. But that cash back, that's not going nowhere. So I really don't know the deal with the referral. They do that in September 11th. I don't know. And you get the $10 back because I just started. So for that first 4 months, they're gonna tell you got the 4 months from prior from time you signed up to get that $10 bonus. And the referral program, I don't know. That's the end for everybody or just me. Like I said, I just signed. I've only been with just about 5 days, but you can't beat that. You can't beat that $25 referral. I'm gonna do a next follow video for you guys, ladies and gentlemen. Shoot proof of payment. Getting tongue tied. Proof of payment and showing that it is legit and people do get paid. Like I said, I only been within 4 or 5 days. Give me a little time and sit back there and put on my social media websites. With that I talk to people, market people, and help people market their business and everything. I'm on Web Talk, Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn. Oh my goodness. Snapchat. It goes on and on and on. But anyway, this is me. This video's been way too long. I'm wrapping it up. The link be down below for you to join. Get your free account. Add your card to it. Make your first purchase. Get qualified. Get your $10 off that $25. Ain't gotta be a lot. Put your link out there. You can share this YouTube video right here. This is entitled eBay, How to Get Started with It in 2019 with Thomas Flowers. or it will be Ebates, how to make money with it in 2019. I'm not really sure which one I'm going to name this video, but one or the other. Thank you, and over and out.